welcome. Today we're repairing the Clio. I crashed this about 2 years ago, believe it or not, 2 years ago, and this is the state it's in at the moment. So what have we got? We have got wheels. What else have we got?
We got brakes.
We got brakes. Yes, we got brakes. We got brakes. Look, we got an interior in there. Got a window. Right.
Let's fire this thing up.
Yeah, so we're going to go out in it. Right, let's start this beast. Dead. Totally stone dead. Why is it stone dead? Right, so we go round to the front now. Stone dead because the main vital bit of this car is missing. Engine, gearbox, gone, all gone. But for a good reason, because we are going to put something a bit special in this Clio, so it's a bit quicker than it was last time. And this is the engine we're going to put in it. This is a Megane 225 RS. Now these didn't come standard in the Clios, only the Meganes. So we never made them for the Clio, but we're going to try and make it fit. We know people have done it, but we don't know if we can do it. So we're going to try it, and if we fucking break it, it's fine, we'll pay someone to do it. But we're going to try first. Now you might ask, why put a different engine in the Clio? Now I'll tell you a little story for the people who don't know cars much. The Clio is very pretty on the outside, very pretty when it's got all its front on, but obviously I've crashed it, so it's not very pretty at the moment. But they're very pretty to look at, but they haven't got a very good personality. Personality is the heart, the engine, gearbox. Not the best, can be a bit better. But the Megane, it's probably about 3 out of 10 of look wise, but it's got a heart of gold. It's got a heart of gold. It's got a personality of a 10 out of 10. So we're going to combine the personality out of a 10 out of 10 and combine it with the looks out of a 10 out of 10. And combine them together to make this ultimate car. And today's the day we're going to put this beast in and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Me and Mr. Douglas back are trying to fit the engine into the little Clio. This is a much bigger engine in the Megane. It's a bit of a squeeze to get it in the Clio. So we're just working it up and down with the crane, side to side, trying to make it fit. We get a bit stuck here on the gearbox side, as you can see. We're just stuck in that one area. But we get there in the end with my ass out for half the video. But don't you worry, I bought a belt. So that's all sorted. So let's carry on. Okay, so we've had to take the engine out again, only a little bit, just because of this gearbox mount wasn't lining up. But we've managed to get it in there now. You can see the bolt in the background. That's the lining up. So got him in. Now we'll just tighten it up and then raise the gearbox up and out through the hole in there. And then connect all the wires up here to there, and fingers crossed it'll start.
What about fuel line?
I've already got the fuel line in. That was the first thing I put in.
And you've already done that?
Yeah, I've already done it.
When we got the engine mounts lined up, you put the fuel lines on.
Yeah, got to do things, haven't you? Right, let's get it going.
You ready to pump it up?
Yeah, pump her up. Hang on, no, I'm not ready. Let me just tighten this one. We'll get some spanner work on camera. Yeah, tight.
Let's do a factory torque spec.
I don't know, let's do it to factory torque spec. Yeah. Yeah, he's tight. This one. Yeah, tight. Right. crane, rise. You see that rising now? Right, hang on, let me get it in the hole. Okay, is it coming through? Hang on. I've got to go over a bit. Down, go down. We're a bit to the left. Not too much though. Oh.
That's right. Like that?
Yeah, rise now, rise with the Lord. Rise it. Oh, come on, rise now, rise, yes. Right, stop, we're through. I got this little bolt, put that on there, secure the beast. And this side, I think we just drop, don't we?
Yeah.
Tight. Harder doing it one-handed. And
Give it back to the cameraman.
yeah, give that camera. Got to do this gearbox mount up now. Tight. Right, other side. She's
Probably
happy.
wouldn't tighten that up all the way.
Why? They're all in now.
Oh, they all in?
Yeah. That beast's in.
It's the first hole you've gotten in a while.
No, it's not. Because. Right. Oh, who needs to go to the gym when you the Clio RS that you crashed?
Exactly. Just by an impact.
I think that's it, isn't it? For mountain wise.
Yeah.
She's in.
What about that mount that's on the floor down there?
Which one? This one?
No.
Oh, that's nothing. That just holds the engine in. Nothing.
No, we don't need that.
No. It just goes there. But, coincidentally, I'm missing the bolt. Because I lent it to my mate who said he was going to replace it. Sold the car with it on. So I've got a bolt for this top bit.
Anyone out there that owns a green E36 we can do with a Clio bolt?
Your bolt is in your diff.
Barely.
Yeah. I'll give it back to you, yeah. I'll buy you a new one. Okay, so we've got the engine in now with my helper Douglas Beck's tree.
Yeah.
We've got
Clio building.
we in clear building, yes, but we have got the engine in now. Just need to line up all the mounts and get it in. And then we're going to go for our first start. So, fingers crossed. Okay, people, we are. Think we're ready to start. We don't know yet. Remember, safety first. Always have protection on you. So that's just going to sit there. But we've got all the wiring in of what we know. So fingers crossed. But I don't know. We're going to try it and see what happens. That's that. First test, nothing. So back to the drawing board. See what we've missed off. Try it again.
At this point, we're struggling to get it going. We're trying everything, and it's not working. So
Yeah, keys in here.
you just see us struggling in this bit.
It will say key not detected if it's the key. Key's here.
Look, it just turns everything off. See?
Yeah, it's like it hasn't got enough power. Down. Try it now. Yeah. Back to the drawing board with this one, I reckon. And start it and move the steering wheel at the same time. Oh, you're not clicking the brake as well. Yeah, that's it. Try it again.
No. That should want to start now, shouldn't it?
Yeah, that's when it's starting, when all those lights.
Would it not start because there's no brake pressure?
Might be. But it would say press brake. It would say like keep on pressing brake, not
Why don't it want to turn off?
because it thinks it's running. Have we got a back fire? Yeah, there we go. That's the steering locked now. So you should press it and it'll yeah, and now it should be it should be going.
It's just coming up braking faults, eh?
Yeah, maybe it's not starting because of the brake. Okay people, so it's next day, here on my own now, and having a look, I noticed some wires down here that just didn't look right, they just weren't sitting correctly. So I've changed them over, and I'm going to try and start it. So fingers crossed again. Let's see what happens. Battery on, yes, tick. Right, let's try. An exhaust, but it's fucking running. Yahoo! Look at that, and stop it on the button. That's brilliant. Let's try again. Try again. Let's try again. Nice.
So at this point I was really happy it was running, but there was something in my head just thinking, it's not running right, it should sound better than that, surely. But I've never heard the engine, so I don't know, but I just had a feeling that something went right, and then I noticed this.
Ah, that might be why. Another connection. Okay, so I've just connected that second injector up. I don't know why it was unplugged, but it was. It might. I'm hoping it'll run a bit better. It sound a bit rough, doesn't it? So I'm hoping it's going to sound a bit better now. Battery on, yes. Okay, let's go. The Megane is running. Got a fire. Got a fire. What's that coming off? Something down there, isn't it? So, it's good, doesn't it? Don't know what that is burning, but running. It is running. Engine's in, starting. Done a lot of work off camera, as you can see. It's a bit different from last time. Connected some water hoses up down here, trying to figure out where they go, and obviously got the hard line pipes in now. Wanting to put them on for ages, they've just been in storage, so they look pretty cool. Sorted out some wiring, just tidied it up a bit down here. And obviously it's got a bit of cover there, but I don't want to put it on yet, just in case. And yeah, it's coming along good now. Just got to figure out where all their original Clio, so I don't know if you keep them or get them gone. And then obviously you got this one, this one, this one. You see, I just don't know where all that goes, so I'll do a bit of Googling and figure it out. But it's definitely closer than it was last week, I'll tell you that. It is actually in running now, so which is good. So we've got an exciting day today. It's like Christmas. We've got a parts delivery from, I don't know if you can see that, AirTech. Look at that. So let's see what we've got. Wow. So we've got some metal brackets, very nice. And the main bit of the present is this intercooler. Meglio intercooler, made for the Clio, but made for the Megane engine. So I'm going to put that in today. And more bits we got over here. We've got this bit. We have got new radiator to go in. That's what we're going to do today. So yeah, let's crack on. And then we've got the water rad. That will fit in behind the one I just showed you. It's sitting in there somehow. So we've got to put them today. Gimmicks in, none of it when it's on, you only see that AirTech. Gives you street cred, you see, so if people pull up, they know I've got it. Pretty cool. Nice, let's get it on. You've got the intercooler in. That's a Megane intercooler in a Clio. I didn't record it because it was all custom and I had to custom fit all of this. But it's only loosely in there now, as you can see it's not connected, but I just put that there so I know it can go in. This one here, yes, I know it will fit. So now I need to drill some holes in here to secure the intercooler, because at the moment it's only being held in by one bolt and it's just resting on this. Oh, it's not even resting, it's held in by that tube. So we'll do a bit of drilling, a bit of connecting, and then go from there. But look at that, it's in. AirTech. So when I turn up to Tesco's, everyone will see my AirTech, you see, and go, oh, look at that AirTech. Got it all bolted in now, as it should be. We've just mocked up a few lines just to see if it works. This isn't finished, but everything's... Oh, look, see, that one's not in. Let's get that one in. So we're going to try and do a test.
You blew it off, Alwell.
What's happened?
You blew that.
Oh, it blew off! Okay, that turbo boost, it blew the dump valve off.
It opened up.
I heard it.
Blew off. You get a Jubilee clip on it.
Right, look at that. Did you hear it?
No, I didn't do it.
Yeah.
It fucked off.
I heard it would.
Because it popped off because you lost all the boost.
Oh, right. Oh.
If you think that came off and then it just opened and let all the boost out.
Right, I see. It just let the boost out of there. Woo! It revved up though. It's never done that high of a rev before.
No, was that too big or?
Don't know. Right, let's open the doors up to get this fumes out. God, I've never heard it go before, honestly.
Right.
Well, round 2. Put a Jubilee clip on your boost pipe because we've learnt the lesson that it pops off. So now we're going to try take 2 of boosting. Too much. 3, 4. Yeah. Look at it. Fucking me. Woohoo! Oh, that's amazing. Me in it. We need some rear exit
Fans in it.
fans. Yeah.
Dyno.
Get dyno. Look at that. It's running, boosting. Brilliant. Do you remember that 10? That was even worse, wasn't it? That was worse than this.
Out, like, I need a bit of cardboard.
Here's a bit of cardboard.
Cut that off.
No, that's AirTech. It's probably worth a £5 that.
Yeah, it's a Fiesta driver.
Yeah. It's working. That's what you have to do if you don't have an extraction fan or no exhaust.
Yeah, literally.
I know what we should do. We should drill some holes into theirs.
Just have a unit behind you, know?
Yeah, put it in there and then just steam them out. So people, it's been a big update. I haven't recorded much of it because it's just been fiddling around, making little things fit that are all custom, and I just thought it'd be a bit boring to watch because it took me a few weeks, not gonna lie. But air filter's all in. Finally found the correct air filter for it, because you can't just put a Megane one on it because it's a different size. You can't just put a Clio one on it because the Clio runs down here, so it's I think it's not even for this car. So that's all in. All of this is in now, all tightened up. Lights are in. Haven't seen them in for a while. So it's starting to look like a car now a bit. But today's update is the brakes. Just picked them up from MS Custom Engineering and they are looking sweet. Much better than what I could have done.
So that's all in. Other side's in. Other side's in. I haven't tightened these up because I still need to bleed the brakes, but as you can see, it turns with no horrible noises, unlike previously. Backs, still got the backs to put in, but all bearings done. Look at that, no horrible banging like it was. And then we've got the new rear calipers in here, just picked up, still freshly packaged. God, look at that, look. That is something else, isn't it? So we're going to put them in and bleed the brakes. Exhaust, forgot about that. Exhaust, got the exhaust from Steed's Fabrication. He made this custom bit up. There's another bit to go with it. So this is the exhaust from Steed's Fabrication. So it comes from Megane end. So that's a Megane 225 fitting, and it runs in the shape of the Clio. So you can't just put a Megane exhaust in, because obviously it's a different car, so the exhaust won't fit. So it's a Megane exhaust, but it's in shape of the Clio, if that makes sense. So it fits the Clio. And it comes down to here, and then he's made this bit that will go just like that, and then it will connect to my previous Scorpion exhaust. So that's pretty good. Got that to fit up, so it'll be good to hear it finally with an exhaust, because it's always starting up out straight out of the turbo. Cleared the fault on the ABS, plugged the computer in, found the fault. That was that sensor. Cleared the light code, that was this light. So we're going to do all of that and then do some coolant, give it a few revs just because we can, and then we're going to drive it. The first drive is close in the Clio. Not much has changed in here because we're not on that bit yet. Just need to get it driving, so stay tuned. Okay, this is Meglio exhaust test 1. Okay, as you can see here, I'm putting my new brakes on, making sure it's all correct, and making sure I do not scratch that lovely paintwork done by MS Customs. So I'm just being careful, taking my time, and putting them on correctly. I know. Okay people, today we are bleeding the brakes, and hopefully we're going to go for our first little roll. We got Will in the car. He was in the car when it crashed, and now he's here. I'm going to drive it since the crash. So we're doing the brakes today, coolant, get it all back on its wheels, give it a few revs, and roll it out the front, and go from there. Okay, Will, so we need you to press the brake. I don't think it needs to be on. Are you pressing?
Yeah.
Okay, keep on pressing. Like, pump it. Are you pumping it? Yeah.
Hold it.
Oh, right, we're getting some fluid through now. Made me jump, that did. I'll do that after this one. Oh yeah, a lot of air through that one. Okay, pump. Check the fluid. Yeah, loads in there. Loads.
Ready? One more. Hold.
Air bubble. There we go, look at all that air. Okay, pump. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the brakes are all bled now. Just doing the clutch. Got Will in there again. He's pumping the clutch. I've had to take all of this back out to get to the clutch bleeder, which is where that blue line is, as you can see. That there. I could have got it through here, but it was just a nightmare. So I've done what the video said and took all this out, and it seems to be working. Okay, you pumping?
Ready?
Yeah, pump.
Pressure.
Our wheels in the car, pumping the clutch down, and I'm currently opening the valve down the side of the gearbox to let the fluid and air out. We rinse and repeat until we've got a clutch pedal. How does that feel? Does it feel like a clutch, does it? Let's get in there. Let's sit back. Let's sit where I'll be sitting. Oh yeah, that feels lovely, doesn't it? Here we go, guys. First drive of the Clio, or should we say Meglio. Let's see what happens. You ready for this?
Yeah, go on.
I am. Bit nervous. Now at this point, I don't know if you can see it on my face, but I'm definitely realising there is a problem. Recording, yeah, we've got a leak. Oh no. Clutch. Where's that coming from then? That's that fucking valve, isn't it? Why has it done that? Fucking bastard. Oh. So we had a clutch fluid issue. It was leaking out of that valve in there. There's no way you can see it, it's right down the bottom. But we think we fixed it. We're pressing it and it's not leaking. So Will's going to do the moment of truth and start her up and see if it starts leaking. Alright, go on. Yeah, go on then. Don't put it in gear. No, because it fucking...
It'll shoot off.
Yeah.
Going that lovely nice Golf. Give it a press. Just keep on pressing the clutch. Well, yeah, it's not leaking, so I'll move your car. Yeah. Yeah, turn her off. B2 of the ride out. Drive out. We're biking. Fingers crossed. Done the first roll. I've got to do the coolant, so. Oh no, right on my air filter. Let's do it up here a bit. Right, I guess give that a run. Start her up. They put heaters on full, is it?
Should I stop it?
No, I can go. What, heaters
Yeah.
on full?
I think so.
So do I.
Oh yeah.
Going down, huh? It's going somewhere, I don't know where, it's going somewhere.
Yeah, with the air in the pump.
Should start slowly going down, correct? Right. Okay, viewers, haven't updated you for a while because it's just been just boring custom pipes and just boring stuff. No one really wants to watch it. So what we've done is we've relocated the wires in the back down there because they were touching the gear selector, causing it not to go into gear. We've put this purge valve on now because that was throwing an error, and that goes to there, and that was causing it to run lean. Probably see it in all the videos where it's all smoking, but that's because of that purge valve. So that's been connected, and ever since we've done that, the swirl pot thing has been swirling up, so that's good. We got remapping on Saturday, so we got the injectors in here for it. Injectors are in here. So there's the injectors, 630 injectors. They're a straight swap for the originals. I think they're 280s, I think. I might be wrong, but don't put them in now because it will just cause drama. So we'll just. So the Clio is loaded up, ready for the dyno now. We just got to change the injectors over because we can't run it with the new ones on, so now it's on the trailer, we can change them over. So we've just got to take these out and go from there. Should be good. Oh yeah, she's looking good.
Okay, you can see me here taking the injectors out while it's on the trailer. Then I take the whole fuel rail, take it into the unit and start taking the old injectors out and putting the new ones in.
3 down, 1 more to go. New, old. Power, slow. So, next one. And there we go, pretty happy with that. 4 630 injectors installed. Now put it in the car, but we can't run it unfortunately till tomorrow. So there we go. I don't know if you can see it on video, but you can see on this one it's got those little holes. I think there's 8 little holes. See them right at the end of the injector, but tiny ones. And if we look on the new ones, where is it there? It's got 4 big boys. You see them? So it's more fuel because you've got the bigger holes but less of them. See the difference? Small holes, big holes. And we want big holes. And put it in the car.
And that's it for this video. There's 2 more videos to come in the future. The next video is Dyno Day.